Are you still importing Excel or CSV files from the Create page in Microsoft Power BI using the old experience? You may want to check. Microsoft is retiring it soon. Here's what you need to know. What's affected? Semantic models created with the old import experience can't be edited in the browser, downloaded, or scheduled for refresh. If your model supports those capabilities, you're already using the newer connectors and won't be impacted. What's changing? Starting July 31st, 2026, reports built using the old import experience will stop refreshing from their source files. They will still open and be editable, but the data will no longer stay synced unless recreated using the new connectors. Key dates to remember. By May 31st, 2026, creating new semantic models using the old experience will be disabled. By July 31st, 2026, existing models built with it will stop refreshing. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.